Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this digital glass kettle from Silvercrest. It is a premium product. Temperature range from 40 to 100 degrees Celsius in 5 degrees Celsius intervals. Innovative mechanism. Kettle can be filled without opening the lid. I like that. 1 liter ready in 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Touch control panel. Cable storage, 360 degrees swivel base, 1.7 liters the maximum capacity, 80 cm the length of the cable, stainless steel, LEDs change color as the kettle heats up. Wow, that will be amazing, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, definitely it looks great. Wow, I like it. I think I will replace my kettle with this one. The base. Here you can store the cable. Rubber feet at the base. It will stay very secure at your kitchen countertop. I like the thickness of the cable. The power consumption, it is from 2520 to 3000 watts the maximum. I will check on that. And of course we have the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Wow. I can't stop looking at this product. Glass with stainless steel. Definitely the combination of these two materials, it makes this kettle so beautiful. I like the handle, it is very durable. We have the touch control here. The lid you can pull with one hand and clean it. Press and it locks. And here you can fill up with more water. We have the gap. Remove the lid. Inside we have the filter. There's the filter. Just pull plastic filter and you can install it. It is very easy to install the filter. Just press and it locks. There it is. And inside we have the LED ring here around. The sensor at the base. It has an overheat protection and boil dry protection, this unit, with keep warm function up to 1 hour. Nice. And here we can see we have 0.5 liter the minimum, 1 liter, 1.5 liter and 1.7 liter the maximum capacity. And installing again the lid. 300 degrees, you can rotate the lid, remove. Wow, it looks great. The base, connection, the unit with the base. So let's fill up with water and test it, see how long it will take to boil the water. Near 1 liter, wow. I love the LED ring. Let's fill up with water at the top of the lid. Gravity, it makes the job and it turns on the lid. So you can have in 2 minutes and 38 seconds 1 liter ready. Let's test it. 100. I like how it's changing the LED ring colors as it's heating up. The time is very accurate and it will stop at 100 degrees Celsius automatically. With the sound, we can hear the sound. Clear display, you can see very well all the buttons, touch buttons. So let's fill up with water again. .7 liter maximum capacity. Now I would like to have my water, it is 100 degrees Celsius the maximum, from 40 to 100 degrees. 70. And start. It's flashing the on-off button, and then we can see the real temperature of the water, 23 degrees Celsius. There it is, very precise, 70 degrees Celsius, I like that. It's stopping to boil the water 2 degrees before, just to have the accurate temperature. And to use the keep warm function, just press this button, adjust the temperature you want, 80, and press the on-off button. And we can see it's flashing, it is at 75 degrees Celsius. I heard the click and starts again. Stops again. 78. .80 Celsius, there it is. I like it. The temperature, it is so precise. Now let's fill up with water a little bit, just to change the temperature. There it is. And we can see instantly it's changing and the color at the LED ring. And again it starts boiling the water. So with this function it will keep warm the water for 1 hour. It doesn't matter of course the capacity, as much as you want, 1.7 liters is the maximum. It's starting to boil the water for a few seconds, just to have the correct temperature. There it is, 80 degrees Celsius, and of course at all times you can just remove the kettle from the base and start the whole process. 100 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature. You can boil water for cooking, prepare your favorite hot drink, boil and keep warm the water at the precise temperature you need. It has a great design. It will look great at any countertop. Glass with stainless steel is amazing. Are fitting perfect together. I just love it, and it cost only 30 euros. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and hit the notification bell until my next video. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.